Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introducing us from a group of 11 consisting myself, my name is Angelita, and my partner Liza Fazira. We are from 4B class of English Education Department at State Islamic University of Sultan Syarif Kasim Riau. So in this video, we will explain about noun clause in complex sentence. Noun clause in complex sentence. So, the definition of noun clause is a group of words which do what a noun does with a subject and a verb. That can be a subject, an object, or an object or preposition. And then here are 6 deforming noun clause in complex sentence. There are as subject, as object, as prepositional object, a positive, subject complement, and object complement. Okay, forming the noun clause in complex sentence, first as subject. For example, what caused so many difficulties in the IELTS test in the writing section? So, what caused so many difficulties in the IELTS test? Forming the noun clause in complex sentence as subject in the underlined sentence, and is as verb, and the writing section as object. Next, 2. Forming the noun clause in complex sentence as object. When the clause is the object, then it comes after the verb in the independent clause. For example, this history book describes how England became the first industrialized nation. This history book as verbs describes as subject and how England became the first industrialized nation as object.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Liza Fazira. In this video, I would like to continue explanation about noun clause in complex sentence. Alright. As we know that explained by my friend that noun clause is a group of words which do what a noun does with a subject and a verb that can be a subject, an object, or an object of a preposition. The next is noun clause as object prepositional. The prepositional object is the noun or pronoun that the preposition affects or describes. So, if you were to say the apple in the tree, the word in is preposition and tree is object. The full professional press modifies apple by telling us where it is. And remember, the object of preposition is usually, but not always, the noun or pronoun to right of the preposition. The next noun clause as a positive. In grammar, a positive is a word, phrase or clause that supports another word, phrase or clause by describing or modifying the other word, phrase or clause. In fact, nouns and non-phrase most often perform the function. Non-clauses also perform the grammatical function of opposite. Example, The answer from the company that we buy a new table answers me. The next is noun clause, subject as complement. This type of sentences have the following structure: that it plus be plus adjective plus noun clause, that plus subject plus verb. Example like, it is important that the government taxes oversight. The next is object complement. An object complement clause is a clause whose function is to be an adjective complement to the main clause. How can you tell a clause is an object complement? Yes, simply by asking the question what? Question what? At the end of the main clause. The object complement clause is in bold below. Example, I would like what? You leave me alone. I would like you leave me alone. Alright, until here my explanation. I'm sorry for my mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.